Hi folks, how you doing? Welcome to another video. Before we get into the video, as always, please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're informed of all the videos as and when I do them. Please have a look in the description, check out my friends' channels, Facebooks and Instagrams, go give them some love. Also, can you have a look at my Teespring please? We've got some t-shirts, we've got mugs, we've got leggings, all sorts of products, all different colours. You know, it really sort of helps me out, sort of trying to build this business up, you know, buying some merch for us. So please check it out, help me out. Yeah, today's video, it's kind of a strange one really. You know, it's not something I'd normally do, but you know, I like a challenge and I took it on well, I think. So about a month ago, there's two YouTube channels, go check them out as well. It's Half Fast Garage and Iron Horse Garage. I can't remember which way it happened, but one of them called the other one out for a lawnmower race. Quite a simple thing, it's just a 40-foot drag race, time it, film it, have a laugh, you know, and that's what it was about. I think a couple of other people did it, but one of my mates did it, Joey Collins at Mill Creek Fab Shop, and he called me out to do it. So, you know, being a typical Englishman, you know, I take a challenge quite strongly, and I put a little bit of heart and soul in it. That's why it took a little while to get out. I didn't film everything of what I did because, you know, I was trying to squeeze it in with everything that I've been doing. But here's a quick montage of what I've been doing over the past couple of weeks. Amazing, watch. Right, so you've seen a little bit of the tinkering and everything else that I've done. Let's talk through the actual sort of setup and the plan. You know, the whole idea is it's a 40-foot drag race. It's nice, simple, start line, finish line. The problem I had is I didn't actually have any sort of markers or anything like that. Luckily, being here in Northamptonshire, we've got two decent race circuits fairly close. You know, we've got Santa Pod Raceway and then we've actually got Silverstone Racing Circuit. So I called up a couple of mates and, you know, they've really come through for me and really done me a solid. So what we have here is some official FIA cones. You know, he's really sorted me out. You know, we've got a proper official green starting line, we've got an official red finishing line, you know, and these are still accredited, you know, for, you know, they're still well in date. So absolutely buzzing about that. And all it did was cost me just, you know, a cup of tea. You know, you see my video, absolutely love the way I make a cup of tea. So, you know, that was it. Go check out that video as well. So yeah, that's pretty much the setup, you know, start, finish. It was over 40 foot and I just measured that with a normal tape measure. I didn't need anything special for that. Right, so you've seen the equipment, you've seen the setup, you've seen me tinkering around. Now let's have a quick walk around the actual mower itself. Right, so let me talk you through what we've got. I've stuck with the original rear diffuser. You know, with the aerodynamic testing, you know, I've discovered that this was actually really good, kept it planted onto the ground. We've gone for the rear rails. I found what was happening is that the air was curling around and making a pocket here, so putting the string in, you know, just allows it to sort of follow through. Still, you know, it's not creating any drag, I'm not putting any extra weight there, but it's just keeping the air all going in one direction, you know, one constant direction. I mean, the biggest changes are all down the front here, look. So we've gone for a single piece carbon fibre kit. You know, we've had this professionally done by Prime. I designed it all on CAD, you know, cardboard aided design and everything. So we've got that all sorted out. I've gone with this shade of brown to paint it because obviously brown is the lightest colour and lightness is key. On the key parts, we've gone with the gloss paint, because you know it's less slippery and draggy, you know, and it will just follow that all the way through there. And then, you know, encapsulated all the wheels in, you know, so we get less rolling resistance, but then there's still the air ducts for the braking system and everything else. So there you go, that's the time, 6.23 seconds. You know, she pulled off well, she popped the front wheel, but wasn't a great finish, was it? Well, that was a shame, utter disappointment. You know, come in last, but it was all good fun. You know, it's all a giggle. We did actually have a lot of fun. It really was. Is there a little clip of us cocking about afterwards?
One eternity later.
Like I said, we had an absolute blast that day. We done about 3 drag races and all. We do actually have a small roller here now as well. So if we can get that recorded before I end up putting this video up, there's going to be a drag race between the mini digger and a little mini roller as well. So keep a watch out for the end. So thanks for watching. It was a giggle. I hope you had a laugh. I hope you didn't destroy any of your electrical equipment by laughing too hard and spitting coffee and shit all over the place. Go check out Half-Fast Garage, Iron Horse Garage. The link to their videos are going to be in the description. Go check out Mill Creek Fab Shop. I'll put his video link in the description as well, plus all their channel links as well. But I want to see more of these. So, you know, please, you know, if you're watching, you know, give it a go, film it, tag me in it, it'd be a giggle. But for now, I am calling out Ralfy Customs. Get a lawnmower, do it. There's loads of them about, don't make excuses, son. Myco Knight, come on, you can do it as well. You know, Kahnawake, Utah, you can do it. And Arco and Heidi, come on, you do have a lawnmower. I know you're busy and you've got time, but come on, make time, have a giggle, and I'll see you for the next one. Catch you later. Bye.